This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Steve Pierotti. Great value. Morning Woods Subdivision. Over 2,400 square feet. Home priced at $112 per square feet. Maintenance-free brick and vinyl exterior. 4 bedrooms with primary bedroom downstairs. Granite countertops, large fenced backyard. Great North Cordova location, minutes from Highway 64, Houston Levee, Interstate 40, lots of restaurants and shopping. Updated 2-year-old HVAC systems. Original one-owner home. For more information, review the details below or contact Steve Pierotti at 901-861-4808.